Hello YouTube learners, this is Shirley, your admin for this channel, Download and Learn. This is our first course that we are teaching online, Speak Chinese Now. And this course will include simple vowels, initial consonants, personal pronouns, numbers, daily greetings, and everyday phrases that you will use. We're conducting this course in this manner so we can comply with YouTube and what is expected of our channel. So we had to change some things on our channel. So what you will be seeing is the PDF that I have created. You will be seeing our PDFs in video. Now, if you would like to download the PDF yourself, the site is in the description. If you would like to download the video, which the PDF and video goes together, that is also in the description. But everything that you view on this channel will be free. Anything you want to download, that may be a cost. But whatever you download, we're going to also show it for free. We're doing it this way to comply again with YouTube. But also, if you are having trouble learning just by viewing it on your phone or your computer, you do have the option to download it and get it and review it whenever you want to. You have the option to get it in your hands for a very low cost. So you can just click on the links to learn more about it. So as you are seeing now is copies of part of the PDF. We're doing tables 1 through 4 in this video. And I promise you I am going to scan the entire 15-page PDF for those who cannot maybe afford to pay for it or don't have any problems learning online. But if you do want to download the PDF or the video and have it at your access, hard copies for the PDF, and be able to bring up the video whenever you want, not ever having to worry about if it's going to be taken down, it is yours to keep. There are other options. So this is the beginning of this new way of conducting this channel. As you see, the name has changed because we're going to be doing a variety of languages, a variety of how-tos, a variety of everything that someone may want to learn. It's going to all take place right here. So I continue, please continue to subscribe, continue to share the channel. It's going to be a lot of good things to learn. Learn it and grab it. Alright, so this is the first one, and we'll be posting more of our PDF very soon. Okay.